Hi, this is Robert Massingale again, and this is my newest project with Unity. I kind of went with with a little bit of a post-apocalyptic thing, possibly even a zombie theme later on. But basically, I did it. I used the third-person controller, the default one from Unity. Only I altered a little bit of the script to make it so it stays locked in place, so no matter what kind of clicking you do or anything, you cannot alter the view. So it's locked in place, keeping it 2D, since that's one of my requirements. And all of the models you see and textures I downloaded from the assets store. I have done a little bit of coding for the UI, so you can see up here, as you collect the little skulls that are floating around, it gives you points for the skulls. And I tried to put some smoke effects in here, but the base ones have far too many particles to actually make it worthwhile. It ended up lagging the system a little bit. I used fog effects to keep it nice and dark. Even though this is the default character, I did take the wrench and turn it into a flashlight by putting a directional light on it. As you can see, as he walks around, it automatically moves as his hand does. He can run and jump. I didn't take out any of that functionality. I did put a wall over here, an invisible wall. A plane that I took off the renderer for. That way you couldn't go past a certain point. It becomes more important up here at this corner. As you can see, because the camera doesn't rotate, there are some places where the buildings get in the view of the camera, especially if you go to the right over here. Here you can't see it all because of it. I made the primary objective right now to just collect these glowing skulls. I added the glow effects by just putting on some point lights radiating from the objects, and I changed the color of the point lights to show how many points they were worth. The blue ones are worth 1 point. The green ones, like this one over here, are worth 5 points. And then, if I can find one of the red ones I placed... here we go. That one's supposed to give 10 points, but we'll see. There. It's working just fine. The buildings themselves are composed of basically modular components for the wall pieces that you have to put together yourself. It was a Zombie-Gon reference inside the assets store for models for buildings. The cars came with all of the different color textures for the maps. If you just drag them drag the new color textures straight on, you don't have to alter any of the color settings for it, which means the metallic colors, the chromes, the tires, all of that stays the same color as it's supposed to be. Overall, it's pretty simple. We weren't given too much guidance here, so I just kind of tinkered with stuff and got something that worked, that stayed 2D and kept all of the rest of my requirements going. As you can see, I piled a whole lot of cars on top of each other, a little bit of copy pasting, altering colors, rotating them around so they actually looked like they were piled up from, well, initially just a wreck, and then people probably moving them on top of each other or something, because it's a little bit unrealistic the way they're piled right here. If you're looking for assets, the asset store has plenty of free ones, so just go ahead and collect them. That's pretty much all there is to this one, though. I'm hoping that I'll be able to throw in some really good stuff into my next project, however, since we are going to actually be required to add in particle effects and things of that nature in the next project. There's nothing actually back here. It's just kind of something I didn't block off. I don't know whether I was going to do anything with it or not, but that's pretty much my entire project. Thanks for watching, once again. Bye.